Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. This is Mel again, and we have another unboxing. So I bought a few stuff or few coins recently, and these are one of them. As you all know, if you see my coins, the ones that I have been picturing, I like old coins, so it will be old coins for me. It's like a travel to history. So we'll see what this one is. And it's nice to have it. I mean, it's part of history, and I'm glad that I found a few of them recently. These ones, so okay, it's nicely wrapped as always, because the the ones that I'm bidding or buying coins are also coin collectors, and they deal with it a lot, and they take care of them. Uh, they always take good care of their things when they package or send this to postage. So we have three coins here, and here we go. So sorry, it's my setup is a bit old school. So this one is from 1903, and it is from Hong Kong, and its value is 10 cents. So we can see here the portrait of King Edward VII. It says Edward VII, King and Emperor. So 1903, Hong Kong, and this one is from the 1900, and it is a 10-cent coin as well from Hong Kong. 1900. Wow, it's a very old one. And of course we can see the portrait of Queen Victoria. So it's a silver coin, both of them. The other ones, they're both silver. Nice ones, eh? And the last one, this is a coin from Russia from 1899, and its value is 1 kopeck. 1899. I think it's from the reign of Tsar Nicholas II. I'm not sure, but yeah, very nice coins. So yeah, three lovely coins from Hong Kong, and two from Hong Kong and one from Russia. So please do like and subscribe my channel, click on the notification settings, and see my playlist for more videos of coins, stamps, and even my travel videos. I have lots of them, and I have a lot more to share. Thank you, and have a good day.